Hi everyone, thanks for dropping by my YouTube channel and checking out this final test video of an old Breckwell Pellet Stove Controller. I call it a Breckwell Pellet Stove Controller because it has all the features of an analog Breckwell, though I'm not 100% sure that it belongs to a Breckwell stove. In any case, it has a speed control for one of the motors. It has an automatic and manual switch, and it's got a thermostat switch, which is very similar to the 90s version of the analog controllers from Breckwell. So Scott sent me this one because he was having very erratic performance from it. It was very unstable and was not able to control his stove very well. So I received it, I connected it to my tester, and sure enough I saw pretty well exactly what Scott spoke about when we talked about this controller. So I've did some troubleshooting on it and I identified the problem. I've corrected it. I've checked a few other things out. There was a broken wire on this red auger switch here, which I've repaired. That may have been caused during shipping or by me by handling everything, but in any case it's been repaired. So I have this thing ready for final test, so I'll go ahead and turn on my tester, and when I do turn on the tester, one light will come on, and it is the one indicated in blue here. I'm not sure 100% if that should be the combustion fan or the room fan. I sense it should be the room fan because this control knob will control the intensity of it. So we'll just call it a fan for now and know that it does work. So when the proper wires are reconnected inside the stove over here, that should connect up to the proper fan, and that will work based on this. But like I said, I believe it's the room fan, but I could be wrong about that. So let me go ahead and turn it on, and when we do, we see the combustion, what I'm calling the combustion fan, but it's a blue indicated light come on. And as I vary the intensity of the controller, I don't see any action happening right now. So I'll go ahead and press the auger button, and that will cause the green light here to come on, and the auger itself will start cycling on and off. So let me go ahead and do that, and there we have it. And notice that the combustion fan, or what I call the combustion fan, the one fan does come on a lot brighter, and I can control the intensity of that light. Well, that would control the speed of the fan itself. Now we've been we do have the green light here, so we're in automatic mode, and we should see the auger cycle on here shortly. There it is. It's very short on time and long off time, and because the indicator knob here is basically at minimum. So I'll go through and do that one more time, allow it to cycle through one more time, and there it is. And I'll increase the intensity of I won't go to max, but I'll go just about to max, and next time we see the auger, I expect it to be on longer, and then the cycle or the duty cycle will be less. So notice how the light is on longer. That means the more pellets would be driven into the fire pit, and the fire would get warmer, hotter, roar more, and sure enough, you get more heat generated. So Scott, there it is. Your controller is fully functional again. I did do a little bit of a marathon test earlier after making the necessary repairs, and it performed well for about half an hour, which is more than when I received it. When I received it, it was within minutes that I would start seeing the problem that you reported to me. So I have a very high level of confidence because I know what I had to repair. So I have a high level of confidence that your problem has been resolved. The controller is fully functional once again and is ready to be reinstalled into your stove. I do want to thank you very much for sending this to me. I appreciate it very much. For any of you viewers out there, if you have a Breckwell stove controller of your own, whether it's this old version or the newer version, and you need some service done to it, please feel free to contact me. My contact information will be in the video description just below this video. I also hope that you'll take the time to check the thumbs up for this video to say that you like it. And I hope that you also will subscribe to my channel. I always appreciate that. So everyone, thank you very much for watching. Have a good evening. Bye-bye.